Grapes contain antioxidants, vitamin K and resveratrol. Grapes can promote heart health, support immune function, and may have anti-aging properties. Strawberry, a good source of vitamin C, manganese, and antioxidants. Strawberries may improve immune function, support skin health, and reduce inflammation. Blueberry, rich in antioxidants, vitamin K, and vitamin C. Blueberries can improve brain health, supports heart health, and may reduce muscle soreness. Mango, packed with vitamin A, vitamin C, and antioxidants. Mangoes are good for eye health, support the immune system, and improve skin health. Apple, rich in fiber, vitamin C, and various antioxidants. Apples are good for heart health, can help with weight management, and may reduce the risk of certain diseases.